Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1998 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. From a measurement of rise time of the output pulse of an amplifier whose input is a small amplitude square wave, one can estimate the following parameter of the amplifier: A. Gain bandwidth product, B. Slew rate, C. Upper 3 dB frequency, D. Lower 3 dB frequency. We know the relation between rise time and bandwidth. Rise time is indicated as TR and bandwidth is, let us assume, BW. So the relation between rise time and bandwidth is 0.35 divided by bandwidth, where bandwidth is a range of frequencies at which the gain is going to be greater than or equal to 70.7% of its maximum value. In terms of 3 dB, bandwidth is a range of frequencies over which the gain is going to be just below the gain is going to be below 3 dB frequencies, 3 decibels from the maximum gain. So they will be treated as FH and FL. So if you are observing this one, this is gain, for example AV, and it is frequencies. So the range of frequencies over which the gain is greater than or equal to 70.7%. So this dotted line is nothing but 0.707, which is 1 by root 2. Okay, so these are going to be treated as FL and FH. One is FL, the other is FH. So bandwidth can be treated as FH minus FL. At F is equal to FH, at F is equal to FL, gain is reduced by 1 by root 2 times. In terms of decibels, if you write, at that time this gap is nothing but 3 dB. That's why FH and FL are going to be treated as cutoff frequencies or 3 decibel frequencies. And if you observe, FH is upper cutoff frequency, FL is lower cutoff frequency, and FL is very very small compared to FH, so that it is approximately equal to FH only. So rise time can be approximated as 0.35 divided by FH. Instead of bandwidth, you can write it as FH itself. So that from the rise time information, we can calculate the upper 3 dB frequency. So the right answer is C. Thank you.